introduction class for plus 2 first year commerce. First, I am going to tell about the subject which we study in plus 2 commerce. This is the introduction class. Normally in plus 2 commerce, 6 subjects are there. First, MIL, English, business studies, accounting, mathematics. Sixth one is optional. Either you can choose FE or you can choose banking. There are 6 papers in your plus 2 commerce: ML, English, business studies, accounting, math, entrepreneurship, fundamental of entrepreneurship or banking. This is the choice. You can take fundamental of entrepreneurship or you can take banking. Okay. So this MI you can take alternate English also. MI means you can take OEM, alternate English. You can take Hindi also. This English subject is said for science, arts and commerce. Then mainly in fundamental class we will cover these 3 subjects. In fundamental course we will cover these 3 subjects: business studies, accounting and mathematics, because ML and English is not necessary for fundamentals. Fundamental of entrepreneurship or banking, this will depend upon the college. Some colleges covers this subject, fundamental of entrepreneurship, and some college covers banking. So after joining we will study the 6th one. So now in fundamental subject or courses we will study business studies, accounting and mathematics. Clear? So today in our first class we will start business studies. Okay. In our first class we will study business studies subject. In this subject, this is the purely theoretical subject. No problem, no mathematics, nothing. Purely theoretical. We need to understand the concept, and this subject contains the meaning and types of business. What do you mean by business? How many types of business are there? How the business starts? How business are registered? Whether registered is compulsory or not? All those things. There are so many things will be covered in this subject. So first, introduction to business. Introduction to business. Your first chapter, introduction to business. In this first chapter, you will study from the root point, from the starting point, how men start business. What is the activity the human being doing? So normally human activity means all those things which people doing in day-to-day life, that is called human activities. Normally human activities are 2 types. What are these? Now economic activity and non-economic activity. Non-economic activity is also called as also called as social activity. Non-economic activity is also called as social activity. Normally, all the human activity are categorized into two categories: economic activity and non-economic or social activities. Activity in the sense, what all things done by the people, that all are called activities. For example, I am working in an organization, that is my activity. I am doing my business, that is my activity. I am celebrating my birthday, that is also activity. We are celebrating our cultural functions, Ganesh Puja, that is also activity, human activities. So all the human activities are categorized into economic activity and non-economic or social activities. Then what do we mean by human activity or economic activity? Economic activity are those activities which are carried out for getting money. The activity which are carried out for getting money, that is called economic activity. And the activity which are carried for getting social satisfaction, psychological satisfaction, happiness, that is called non-economic activity or social activity. So, in our day-to-day life, we need to maintain balance between economic life and non-economic or social life or activities, because economic activity provides money which can be spent in non-economic or social activities. So, at least 1% of every family are engaged with economic activity for earning money, and that money can help you for doing the social or non-economic activity for all the members of the family. Social activity are not possible without economic activity, because social activity needs money, and that money can be provided by the economic activity. So, then how a person earns money? What are the types of economic activity? What are the types of economic activity? How a person can earn money? What are the sources of earning money? That means there are three types of economic activity. First one is business. First one is business. So people can do business for earning money. By doing various type of business, people are earning money. Business may be small scale, may be large scale. A small shop will come under business. Till Reliance, Tata, Birla, that also including business. There may be a small business or large scale business, whatever may be. Business is an economic activity. By business, the people can earn money, which can help for doing the social or non-economic activity. Then second one is employment. Second one is employment. Employment means by doing job, either temporary or permanent, either private or government or public, whatever may be. All those things, starting from the peon till the collector, CEO, CFO, all those persons will come under employment. In case of employment, one person will work for another person's. The person who is working is called employee. The person for whom the employee is working is called employee. So in employment, there should be an agreement between the employee and employee. According to the agreement, the employee will work for the employer and getting salary, wages or remuneration in return. So first economic activity is business, then second economic activity is employment. Then third one is profession. The third one is profession. What do you mean by profession? Profession means having special skill, special knowledge, special certificate, special qualification in special field. Special skill, knowledge, experience, certificate in special field is called profession. For example, doctors, lawyers, chartered accountants, cost accountants, they are having their own professions. They have a special knowledge, special skill in a special field. Doctor having a special skill, knowledge, experience in medicines. Chartered accountant or cost accountant has the special knowledge, experience in the field of accountancy, management. Lawyer has the special skill, knowledge, experience, certificate in the field of law. So they are called professionals. The persons who is having the professional qualifications is called professional, and the work done by the professional is called profession. So mainly the economic activities. So mainly the economic activity are categorized into three categories: business, employment, or profession. That means when a person tries to earn money, there are three ways are available. Either he can engage in business or employment or professions. These are the three ways one can earn money, and earning the money will help for spending in non-economic or social activity. So maintaining balance between economic and non-economic activity is very important for life happily or peacefully. Clear? So what are the non-economic activity? There is no types for non-economic activity or social activity. There is no types. All those activity which are doing for getting a psychological satisfaction, happiness, peace, that all are called as economic, non-economic or social activity. Excluding these three things, all other activity are called non-economic activity or social activities. So we study this economic activity in detail. First we will study about the business. What is business? Simply business means production or exchange of goods and services for getting profit is called business. Production or exchange of goods and services for getting profit is called business. The main objective of business is to get profit. Without profit, no one can interested to do business. So profit is the main objective for doing business. Simply business means what? Business means doing anything which will give you profit. I am buying some vegetables and selling them for getting profit. That is also business. Reliance company provides a lot of goods and services to customers. That is also business. Business means starting from the small shop till big establishment. All are under businesses. Clear? Udiya buঝি So আমি human activity কথা কাজ দেখুছে business start করা পূর্বରୁ हमको देखिबा आगु केते प्रकार बिजनेस होचे को बिजनेस केमिति होचे किंतु ता पूरा बेसिक टू स्टार्ट होचे कि ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी कोन ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी मींस ह्यूमन बीइंग जो काम करूची तार डे टू डे लाइफ रे सेटा होचे ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज ह्यूमन बीइंग दीटा पर्पस पय काम करूची एदर पैसा इनकम करिया पय नले सैटिस्फैक्शन पाय पय खुशी रे पहुंचे तो पैसा दरकार So definitely every person need to engage in both the activity, economic and non-economic activity. किंतु समस्त economic activity कौन आते? आम फैमिली रे कोन समस्त economic activity करछन कोन समस्त पैसा इनकम करछन नाही किंतु एमिति गोटा फैमिली नाही जा फैमिली जणे economic activity करन एटलीस्ट गोटे फैमिली गोटे लोक को तो economic activity करे पड़िबो so that money can come to the family. So इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी काई करंती पैसा इनकम करिया इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी काई करंती पैसा इनकम करिया पैसा आसीए से पैसा स्पेंड करला नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी करंती नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी काई करंती साइकोलॉजिकल सैटिस्फैक्शन पाया हैप्पीनेस पाया ट्रेडिशन कस्टम को फॉलो करिया दशहरा को हमें नवा ड्रेस बनाउछे कुआर पुने रे नवा ड्रेस बनाउछे गणेश पूजा रे नवा ड्रेस बनाउछे बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन करूछे मैरिज फंक्शन होची ए सब जिन सोटा हमर कोन सोशल एक्टिविटीज आमे सोसाइटी रे पहुंचे सोसाइटी सब हम काम करे पड़िबो कि सोशल एक्टिविटी आमे से पैसा इनकम करने आमे उल्टा पैसा स्पेंड करछे पैसा स्पेंड करे पय हम इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी करबा को पड़िबो करबो तो एटलीस्ट इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी करबा पड़िबो तो से पैसा रे बाकी समस्त हमें नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी बा सोशल एक्टिविटी रे पैसा स्पेंड कर परिबा तो आमे लाइफ रे कुछ मस्त करिया क्लियर तो सेटा कि हमर इकोनॉमिक नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी ता आमे देखिबा इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी केते प्रकार इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी तीन प्रकार कोन बिजनेस छोट छोट बिजनेस आरंभ करी बड़ बड़ बिजनेस पर्यंत ठेला गाड़ी आरंभ करी छोट छोट दुकान आरंभ करी बड़ बड़ विशाल को बीट को बजार कलकत्ता को रिलायंस को बिरला को टाटा को सब जगह हमें बिजनेस कहना दैट मे बी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हमें किसी से प्रोडक्शन करूचे रॉ मटेरियल को फिनिश गुड्स से कन्वर्ट करूचे हमें कपड़ा किनी की ड्रेस रेडीमेड बिकुचे सेटा भी बिजनेस हमें जस्ट ड्रेस किनी की ड्रेस बिकिले सेटा भी बिजनेस तो जदी जिंस किनी की बिकुचे सेटा कोचे ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस बा ट्रेडिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जदी जिंस तयारी करे सेटा कोचे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और प्रोडक्शन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सर्विस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो छथि स्कूल पाठ पढ़ाए पैसा नहीं से किसी भी कोई सर्विस प्रोवाइड करूची ट्रांसपोर्ट एजेंसी बस ट्रेन फ्लाइट तुमको ट्रांसफर करंती तुमको पैसा नहीं सर्विस प्रोवाइडिंग ट्यूशंस डॉक्टर्स चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स दे आर नॉट सेलिंग गुड्स दे आर आल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग सर्विसेज दैट मींस से सब जगह बिजनेस से वाला डिटेल कॉपी भी आपको बिजनेस से पढ़िबा जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन करूची एम्प्लॉयमेंट माने चाकरी छोटो चाकरी आरंभ करी बड़ चाकरी पर्यंत पियन आरंभ करी बड़ बड़ सीईओ सीएफओ मैनेजर कलेक्टर पर्यंत तहसीलदार से सब बड़ बड़ छोट लोग सब जगह एम्प्लॉयमेंट रे जने एम्प्लॉय थाए जने एम्प्लॉय थाए प्रोफेशन मींस किछि गुटे स्पेशल फील्ड रे स्पेशल नॉलेज थिबो स्पेशल पाठ पढथिबो स्पेशल काम करथिबो सोसाइटी रे प्रोफेशनल बोली कोचे किछि गुटे स्पेशल डिग्निटी थिबो जोटा जो कोचे प्रोफेशन सो हमको पैसा इनकम करले ए तीन जिनिस बाहर होचे ए तीन रो जे कोचे गोटे काम रे हमको एंगेज होबो पड़िबो सो ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू टाइप्स इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी आर आल्सो कॉल्ड क्लासिफाइड एज थ्री टाइप्स बिजनेस एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड प्रोफेशन क्लियर एबे हम देखिबा बिजनेस विषय रे एबे हम देखिबा बिजनेस विषय रे व्हाट इज बिजनेस activity which are related to production or purchase and sale or distribution of goods or services with the main objective of earning profit are come under business so business means what either production hame kariba or buying and selling kariba or providing services production means mu raw material काठ आनी सेटा को फर्नीचर के तो प्रोडक्शन फर्नीचर के फर्नीचर के ट्रेडिंग सर्विस प्रोवाइडिंग ट्यूशन पढाउचे सर्विस प्रोवाइडिंग so business means production or buying and selling of goods or services for getting profit is called business profit पाइबा पई हमें प्रोडक्शन करिबा बा जिंस किनी के बिकिबा बा सर्विस प्रोवाइड करबा जहां भी प्रॉफिट पाए जहां भी करिबा सब होचे बिजनेस it should be on a regular basis business should definitely be regular basis कले ना हमें बिजनेस करिबा क्लियर फॉर एग्जांपल सोना दुकानी सोना बिकुची रेगुलर बेसिस पे 365 डे प्रत्येक दिन जो से दुकान खोलिबो सोना बिकिबो ताको कहछ हमें बिजनेस सोना बिजनेस गोल्ड बिजनेस किंतु मते पछा दरकार मो मोर गोल्ड रिंग नै बिकिली किछि पैसा आनली सेटा दैट इज नॉट द बिजनेस बिकॉज़ इट इज नॉट द रेगुलर बेसिस ओके मो पाखे कि सोना थिला प्रतिदिन गोटोडा रिंग 15 डेज में 15 रिंग 15 अलग अलग दुकान जाय बिकली दैट इज नॉट बिजनेस बिकॉज़ that is not regular basis so business कहले जहां पे हमें प्रोडक्शन और बाइंग और सेलिंग ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज इट शुड बी ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस हेले का हमें सब बिजनेस करबा टेम्पररी वंस टू टाइम करले हमें सब बिजनेस करबा नहीं क्लियर देन on the other hand it is an activity which is related with production and exchange of goods and services with the objective of earning profit so definitely the main objective of business is to earn profit without profit no one can invest to do the business so the main objective of business is to earn profit it is an economic activity so business is not under economic activity because business are carried out for getting the money or profit then definitions according to LH Honey बोले लोग कौन कहछथि according to LH Honey business may be defined as a human activity definitely business is a human activity because human activity type like economic activity type of business so business is a human activity directed towards providing or acquiring wealth through buying and selling of goods दैट मींस आमे जिंस किना बिका करके किसी वेल्थ बा किसी प्रॉफिट पाइबाटा को ही बिजनेस कोर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू एलएच है। देन WR Springer, all the activity included in the production and sale of goods and services, all the activity included in the production and sale of goods and services may be classified as business activity. Then characteristic or features. Characteristic means गुण कौन कौन फीचर्स थिले कौन कौन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक थिले आमे गोटे एक्टिविटी को बिजनेस कहिबा। मु एबे टिके सम पूर्व गोटे एग्जांपल देइथि बिजनेस शुड बी ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस। मु टेम्पररी गली उथर थरे दिथर दिथर किना बिका करबी दैट इज नॉट द बिजनेस। रेगुलर बेसिस हेले का आमे ताको कहिबा बिजनेस। सो रेगुलर बेसिस द वन ऑफ द फीचर ऑफ बिजनेस। सो आमे नियर कौन कौन फीचर थिले आमे कहिबा कि इट इज अ बिजनेस। तो गोटे बिजनेस कहबो कि आमे कौन कौन जिंस देखिबा दैट इज कॉमन द फीचर ऑफ बिजनेस। तो फर्स्ट वन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी। तो फर्स्ट फीचर ऑफ बिजनेस इज इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी बिकॉज़ normally business are doing for getting a profit of money. So obviously it is a economic activity because the main objective of business is to get the profit. It is not a social activity, it is the economic activity. No one can intend to do the business without profit, without money, without gain, without wealth. So obviously business is a economic activity. Then the second one is profit motive. Definitely profit motive. So without profit no one can intend to do business. Profit is the backbone of business because growth is dependent upon the profit. The owner need the profit to maintain his family and social activities. So all the business profit motive. The main objective of business is to earn profit. Business can't survive without profit. Profit जदि ठीक ठाक नहला business survive करि परिबनी. Profit are required not only for survival but also for expansion of business and development. So profit हेले खाली हमें survive करिबा से कथा न survive तो करिबा survive सहित तो हमें चाहू चाहू बिजनेस ग्रो करू डेवलप करू बढ़ू दिन को दिन आज हम जो बिजनेस स्टार्ट करले 10 वर्ष पर सेंटर ला हमको भल लागेबनी. So profit is highly necessary for survival as well as growth and development of the business also. Profit is the key objective of business. Without profit no one can enter. Then goods and services. Business always deals with either goods or services or both. For example, mobile shop purchases the mobile and sells the mobile. That means mobile shop deals with the goods. Furniture shop deals with the goods. Furniture purchase and sales. Garment shop deals with the goods, but transfer agency deals with the services. Provide services to the society. By providing services, it charges some fees. Education institutions provide the services. Chartered accountant, doctors provide the services. They are not selling the goods, they are engaged with providing services. So business means that definitely either engaged with goods or services. A business must involve production or exchange of goods and services. Exchange of goods means purchase and selling of goods without any stoppage. Goods may be consumer or producer goods. Consumer goods means say मु किनिकी यूज करले सेटा होछ मोर कंज्यूमर गुड्स. प्रोड्यूसर गुड्स माने मो कंपनी रे मोटा मशीन तयारी करी से मशीन यूज करी आउ जने आउले आउ गोटे जिनिस तयारी करला. तो मो होछ गोटे कंपनी मु मशीन तयारी करूची आउ गोटे कंपनी से मशीन यूज करी की ड्रेस तयारी करला. तो मु जो मशीन तयारी करी से मशीन होची प्रोड्यूसर गुड्स नॉट द कंज्यूमर गुड्स. सो जो आउटपुट ता कंज्यूमर डायरेक्टली कंज्यूम करे यूज करे सेटा को कहा जाय कंज्यूमर गुड्स. जोटा सेकंड टाइम आउट प्रोडक्शन रे यूज करा जाय सेटा कहउछन्ती प्रोड्यूसर्स गुड्स. सर्विस मींस ए पर्सन cooks food for his family. It is not the business. So if the same person cooks for a hotel, it is business. That means service means not selling anything but providing the service. By providing services we can charge some money, that is called service. Then element of risk. Every business associated with some type of risk. Risk means uncertainty of rewards or possibility of losses. Uncertainty of rewards means uncertainty of profit. I am expecting 1 lakh profit in the next year. Getting actually 70,000 profit. That means actual profit is debited from the estimated profit. That is called uncertainty of rewards, possibility of losses. There may be a chance of some losses also. Business means risk. Without risk, there is no businesses. So business also means risk in a business. There is a quantum of risk and uncertainty such as strike by employee, fraud, war, etc. There are various types of risks associated. Then next features or characteristic is continuity. I have already discussed business means definitely there should be continuity. हमको continuation दरकार long period of time by simply गोटे दिटा transaction थोड़े दिथर buying and selling करले आमे सेटा को कहिबानी business body. So continuity is highly necessary to become a business. Honor or entrepreneur. Honor or entrepreneur. Definitely there should be a honor or entrepreneur in every business. Business are called as enterprises. Business को हम enterprise बोली कहूचे और businessman बा honor को हम entrepreneur बोली कहूचे. Definitely an entrepreneur is required in every business to start the business, to grow the business, to carry out the activities of the business and making the profit, taking the risk. For all those things, an honor or entrepreneur is highly necessary. Next, creation of utility. Creation of utility means गोटे काठ थिला पिछे यूज रासुला सेडा को फर्नीचर करा गला तो फर्नीचर टा भी यूज रासला फर्नीचर टा बिकेले आमे केडी यूज करले. दैट मींस बिजनेस क्रिएशन ऑफ यूटिलिटी. यूटिलिटी मींस यूजफुलनेस. जो अनयूज्ड जिंस थाउछ सेडा को आमे यूजफुल जिंस रे कन्वर्ट करूछ के बिजनेस बाय प्रोड्यूसिंग और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. कोयला थिला माटी तले सोना थिला जोडा की यूज होनतला सोना पत्थर रे थिला सेडा को से गोल्ड ऑर्नामेंट करी हम मिलला यूज होछ. तो क्रिएशन ऑफ यूटिलिटी यूजफुलनेस तार क्रिएट करला से पे हम सेटा काम रे आसला हम सेटा उकेले. सो बिजनेस क्रिएट्स यूटिलिटी और यूजफुलनेस बाय प्रोड्यूसिंग द गुड्स. देन consumer satisfaction. All the business are trying to satisfy their customer because nowadays there is heavy competition for all the business organizations. So consumer or customer satisfaction is highly necessary for survival and getting more profit and growth. Satisfaction of social needs. The duty of the business is to provide and fulfill the social needs. बरहमपुर गोटे सोसाइटी बरहमपुर रे जति पिला छथि पढिया पे किछ स्कूल दरकार ट्यूशन दरकार तो किछ स्कूल प्राइवेट स्कूल्स तयारी करला कि ट्यूशन करला कोचिंग सेंटर करला. सो दे आर सर्विंग टू द सोसाइटी. सो से सोसाइटी नीड देखले बरहमपुर रे हमर किछ परिया दुकान दरकार अछि परिया मार्केट दरकार अछि किछ शॉपिंग मॉल दरकार अछि से सब जगह बिजनेस ताको प्रॉफिट पे कहउछथि ता सहित सहित हमर सोशल रिक्वायरमेंट भी फुलफिल होछि. सेहि पे all the business are trying to satisfy the social needs. Society need business and business need society simultaneously. Definitely society need business because business थिले ही हमें खुश रे बच परिबा. हमें गां रे खुश रे रहि पाने because there is a lack of businesses. गां रे सुना दुकान नाही गां रे भलो प्राइवेट स्कूल कॉलेजेस कोचिंग सेंटर नाही पढिया ପାଇଁ गां रे भलो हॉस्पिटल्स नाही ट्रांसपोर्टेशन नाही सेहि पे हम सहर को से सेहि पे society needs business also and business needs also society because without society business will not be done. सोसाइटी नथले का हमें जिंस भी के सो बिजनेस को सोसाइटी दरकार सोसाइटी को बिजनेस की दरकार. सोसाइटी कैन बी डेवलप्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ बिजनेस एंड बिजनेस कैन प्रॉस्परियस विद द हेल्प ऑफ ओनली सोसाइटी. दैट मींस बिजनेस डेवलप करे को चले सोसाइटी दरकार सोसाइटी ग्रो करे को चले कहले बिजनेस दरकार. सो बिजनेस में सोसाइटी दरकार सोसाइटी में बिजनेस दरकार. So these all are the characteristic or feature of business. When all those nine points are available or when all the features are satisfied, then we can say that there is a business. Then the next point is function of business. A business has to perform a number of functions in order to achieve its objective. For running the business, there may be 4 functions to be achieved. That is production function, marketing function, personal function and finance function. First, production function. Production function means the business need to produce something for selling that. Without production, it is very difficult to do the business. For example, I am having a garment shop, ready-made garment shop, and buying pants and shirts and selling them in the market. So definitely there is a business who can produce the pants and shirts or garments. So definitely the first function of business is production. By producing, we can create the utility and usefulness of the goods and we can satisfy the customers. So the first and foremost function of business is production. It involves transformation of raw material into goods and services and making them useful. हमें raw material को finished goods से convert करते हैं, convert करके जो है useful है. To carry out the function, it requires machinery, labor, capital, etc. Definitely for production, we need some machines, some capitals, some labors, etc. to produce the goods and services. Then the second function is marketing. Production without marketing is just meaningless. Business production करूँ, कहीं sell करिया पे आज रो डेट रे marketing न करो sell ही पारिबनी. So second function of business is marketing. It is the process involving activities such as getting goods from the producer and selling to the consumer. So producer रो जिनसोडा consumer पाखरे पहुंचा पे जो जिनस करा जाए सेटा को है marketing. It involves all efforts to create customer for the product and provide maximum satisfaction to them. So हमें marketing काहे बोलते to create customer for the product. हमें why we are doing the marketing to create the customer for our goods and services and satisfying the customer. तो हमें customer satisfaction करिया पाए आउ आम जिनस किनिया पे customer क्रिएट करिया पाए हमें marketing करते. Then personal function. Personal function. It is one of the important function of business. Suppose business रे personal function था उचित. Personal function means engaging the person to carry out the business. This function is related to enterprise. Enterprise means business. For running the business, so many people are required. They can carry out the different activity of the business. It aims to bring together and develop into effective organizations. That means personal function can arrange all those things to start the business and can grow with the business. So personal function means people are highly necessary to achieve the objective. प्रत्येक business रे किछि लोग काम करछन्ती business objective fulfill करिया ପାଇଁ सेटा होतले personal function. Then the last one is finance function. This function is like blood of the organization because जेमिति लाइफ रे blood नथिले लाइफ रहबनी ठीक सेमिति business रे पैसा नथिले business रहबनी. So finance function is the life blood of the organization. Finance function is the important of all business function. Definitely is very important because excess money is problem for the business, shortage of money is also problem for the business. So finance function is very important function for all the business. Without this function, business cannot move even a step. पैसा नहीं माने हमें किसी को करे बनी. So without finance function, a business cannot move a step also. Then a business needs finance developing and expanding the business or enterprises. Business को develop करिया पे, business को expand करिया पे, डेफिनेटली हमको पैसा पत्र और पैसा पत्र मैनेज करिया पे हम जोड़ा कोशिश करा तो फाइनेंस फंक्शन. So this is all about the business. और यार को बहुत जिनिस पढ़ेगा. This is only the introduction class. Professions, employment and all other things we will study in the next class. This is the introduction class. Thank you for watching. Next tomorrow we will do the next class. Thank you very much.